Welcome to the Compost channel, where we share how to easily turn waste into fertilizer for your plants. Every day we throw away a ton of fruit peels and veggie scraps that look like just plain trash. But they're actually an amazing source of nutrients to feed your lush green garden. Today, I'm going to show you 2 super effective ways to compost right at the base of your plants. The first method uses a nutrient delivery pipe placed right inside the plant pot. All you need to get ready is a piece of plastic pipe or a large used plastic bottle. Grab a drill or a heated metal rod to poke plenty of small holes all around the pipe. These little holes will act like magical doors that help the roots easily absorb nutrients later on. Next, dig a deep hole right in the middle of the potted soil and place your perforated pipe inside. Fill the soil back in around it so the pipe stands firmly right in the center of the pot. Now, our mini composting system is ready to take in organic waste. You can throw banana peels, veggie scraps or coffee grounds directly into this plastic pipe. As the waste breaks down, the nutrients will slowly seep through each little hole and into the soil. Beneficial microbes in the soil will move in and help speed up the decomposition process. Your plants will get a steady food supply without you ever needing to add chemical fertilizers. This method is perfect for anyone growing plants in small pots on a balcony or rooftop. It not only saves space, but also keeps unpleasant odors from spreading into the air. Don't forget to put the cap on tightly after each time you add waste to keep pests away. You'll see your plants growing greener and way healthier after just a few weeks of trying this. It's truly amazing that we can create a closed nutrient cycle right at home. Next, let's look into the second method, which is perfect for larger gardens. That would be a smart biocomposting system made from 2 plastic buckets stacked together. First, you need to find 2 old plastic buckets of the same size and wash them really well. With the first bucket, use a knife to completely cut off the bottom to create good airflow underneath. Then go ahead and poke lots of small holes around the sides of this specific plastic bucket. These holes will serve as little windows for earthworms to crawl inside. Earthworms are the hardest workers around when it comes to breaking down organic waste super fast. Now, take this bucket with the holes out to the garden and bury it deep in the loose soil. Make sure to bury it about halfway down to keep it sturdy and stable for the long haul. The second bucket will be nested directly inside the first bucket you just buried. Stacking the 2 buckets together creates an insulating air pocket that protects the composting process. The stable temperature inside will stimulate the microbes to work harder and more efficiently. Every day, you just need to bring your kitchen scraps and dump them straight into this smart composting bucket system. Don't forget to throw in a few dry leaves or shredded paper to balance out the moisture in the compost pile. The ideal moisture level will keep the compost pile from smelling bad and help it break down at lightning speed. Over time, the waste will turn into a natural compost tea that's incredibly rich in nutrients. This compost tea will soak deep into the soil and spread throughout the entire surrounding area. The roots of nearby plants will automatically stretch out to drink up this valuable source of nutrients. You can absolutely plant leafy greens all around this magical composting bucket. Veggies nourished by natural organic compost always taste delicious and are totally safe to eat. This method is truly a perfect solution to improve the soil quality of your garden. The soil will become looser, hold water better, and be full of natural life. Both of these methods bring huge benefits to our living environment. We're doing our part to cut down on the amount of household waste going into landfills every day. At the same time, this also helps minimize the use of toxic chemical fertilizers. By composting yourself, you're building a tiny but incredibly sustainable ecosystem. In that ecosystem, everything has value, and nothing is truly thrown away. Plants provide food for us, and then the leftovers go right back to nourishing the plants. This natural composting process is also a wonderful lesson about the circle of life. You can get the kids in your family involved in this meaningful project too. Children will learn to love nature and appreciate the simple things in life. Don't hesitate to get started today with just some super simple items. Whether you live in an apartment or have a huge backyard, you can make this work. Your patience will pay off with fresh green sprouts reaching up every single morning. Imagine the feeling of picking ripe, juicy tomatoes from your very own garden with your own hands. That's not just a source of clean food, but also something to be proud of in a green, sustainable lifestyle. Kitchen waste is no longer a burden. It has become a priceless gift to the earth. Taking care of plants with homemade organic compost is also a great way to unwind and relax your mind. Every drop of sweat that falls in the garden will bloom into bright, fragrant flowers. Be sure to share these awesome composting methods with your friends and loved ones. The more people know about and use this, the cleaner our living environment will become. Nature always has a way of healing itself if we know how to support and respect its laws. I hope you successfully pull off these bio-composting projects right in your own home. Your garden will definitely be bursting with life, with the strongest new sprouts reaching high. Thank you for taking the time to watch and for walking along with us throughout this journey. Keep loving nature and keep spreading the green living message to everyone around you. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next videos on our Compost channel.